Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a breville barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace the water pump, the one that you see right here, as well as the three-way solenoid assembly, which is this one and this one together. This basically takes care of all the functions of the machine, brewing process, as well as the steam and hot water. So it's one of the first things to kind of go bad on these machines. We're gonna test it out, starting one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see coffee barely dripping or drip coffee, one of those two. So hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. That's gonna be pre-infusion. I should start the shot. As you can see, I probably use a really fine grind for this espresso machine. Probably needs to be a little bit more coarser. As you can see, it's barely dripping. So I'm just gonna stop it right now because it's just way too fine for the machine. You saw he went all the way to the this is definitely way too fine for the machine. And just to show you the group head, that's pre-infusion. And that will be the extraction of the shot. But as you can see, gauge working perfectly fine, good water flow coming out of the group head. And now we're gonna test the hot water, working great, really good water flow. And now the steam. It's gonna take a little bit for the steamer to build up some pressure, but then we're gonna be able to see it working the way it's supposed to. Alright, now the machine is actually getting full pressure. You can see the steamer going pretty strong, having great temperature as well. And yeah, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, breville barista espresso working once again. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.